Okay, so today I'm going to be making one of my buddies a member. And my buddy is Wonky Wonkers, and I brought a membership card, so let's do this. It's like a little talk show. No reply? Okay, maybe... Oh, it's not even writing. Good. Oh, this is going to be fun, giving out the code with all these AJ blockings. Yeah, we don't want other people to take the code. Okay. Okay, so let me spell heaps. Uh-oh. Okay, AJ's been good. It's letting me type them more than 2 numbers in a row. Okay. So 7, 5, 8, 7, 8. Oops. There is more to it. Oh no, I hope you're not entering that. It's not gonna work, there's more. There's a little fishy. My pet ladybug. And I think these are ants on my couch. Ah. Okay. Where you at? Where you at? Oh no. Wonker! Oh no. Nearly done. Where you at, Wonky? Jumpy, 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 jump, jump, jump. Okay. Okay. So yes, please. Sorry. Okay. So oh, I knew that was going to block that. Oh, it's still going to let me write numbers. Oh, does it? Oh, nope. Alright, where was I? Where was I? Okay, yep, that's the one. Okay, okay. So then it's... I wonder if I can get away with writing 4 numbers. 1. Yes, yes, this is so easy. This is the moment. When one becomes a member. So this is for 3 months. Just with a scratch card from the shop. I'm pretty sure this one will come with the spring bunny and the carrots still. Come on. Waiting. Wait for it. Tell my buddy they can come back. I forget, do they have to reload to make it work? Is it on here? Nope. My buddy here was hacked 2 days ago. Alpha armor and spikes were taken. That's no good. Actually, we have our matching necklaces on. Because Wonky gave me one. Oh, please tell me it worked. I forgot to say that was all. And I'm waiting. Sitting there waiting. Oh, that was me. My bad. No, there's no more. There. Whoops. Now we sit and wait. Sit and wait. There is a phantom flamingo in my den with a dinosaur tail. That is scary. Cool look though. I love the masks. I do. Actually, I think I'm short on wands. Yeah, 2. Ugh. Sorry. Only. Can't trade the black wand. It's for my look. Actually, it's for so many looks. My seal. That one. A waiting game. Oh, let's be this little kangaroo with its fox hat that covers its face. Chill sit. Do 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 do. Why does it erase? Oh! Remember! Yay! Wonky! That wraps that up. Towels banned. Oh, that's not good to know. It's not free.